Madison Heights MI is the go-to destination for top-notch kitchen renovation services. Our Home Remodeling Madison Heights experts specialize in transforming outdated kitchens into modern culinary spaces. Whether you're looking for custom cabinetry, Madison Heights, or countertop replacement Madison Heights MI, our team delivers exceptional results tailored to your needs. For those seeking home remodeling Madison Heights, our skilled contractors provide comprehensive solutions. From tile installation Madison Heights to plumbing upgrades. Madison Heights, we ensure your bathroom is both functional and stylish. Our bathroom remodeling services in Madison Heights are designed to enhance your home's value and comfort. Home remodeling. Madison Heights contractors offer unparalleled expertise in transforming your basement into a functional living area. Whether you need flooring installation, Madison Heights, or insulation services. Madison Heights MI, our team is equipped to handle all aspects of basement finishing. Trust our Madison Heights experts to create a space that meets your lifestyle needs. Home additions. Madison Heights MI are a fantastic way to increase your living space and add value to your property. Our team specializes in custom home additions, ensuring seamless integration with your existing structure. From deck construction Madison Heights to patio design Madison Heights MI, we provide comprehensive solutions for expanding your home. Custom cabinetry Madison Heights is essential for creating a personalized and organized space. Our experts design and install cabinetry that complements your home's aesthetic while maximizing storage. Whether for kitchen renovation or closet organization Madison Heights MI, our custom cabinetry solutions are unmatched. Flooring installation Madison Heights is a crucial component of any home renovation project. Our team offers a wide range of flooring options, from hardwood to tile installation Madison Heights. We ensure precise installation and a flawless finish, enhancing the beauty and functionality of your home. Roof replacement. Madison Heights is essential for protecting your home from weather damage. Our experienced team provides reliable roof replacement services, ensuring your home remains safe and secure. We use top-grade materials to deliver a durable and aesthetically pleasing roof. Window installation. Madison Heights MI and door replacement Madison Heights are key to improving your home's energy efficiency and security. Our experts provide professional installation services, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. Upgrade your home with our window and door solutions in Madison Heights. Siding repair. Madison Heights is crucial for maintaining your home's exterior and preventing damage. Our team provides efficient siding repair services, ensuring your home remains protected and visually appealing. Trust us for all your siding needs in Madison Heights.